Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool amazing product right here, and basically what this is a portable power bank that can use the cable to charge or use the wireless charging option as well to recharge your devices. So you can see this is basically what the product looks like, and it's from this brand in particular right here. So we took a look on the side right here to tell you guys some of the specs that's on here and also on this side as well. But first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what the product looks like and how to actually use it. Alright, so when you take it out, you can see that this is basically what the packaging looks like. So pretty much inside they do provide us a cable and they provide you guys actual product stuff right here. So the cable that they provide for you guys right here is a USB to USB-C cable, so you can use that to recharge the product. And then right here we have the actual product, and then underneath the actual product they do provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to use it, and they also provide you guys a little sticker here as well. But that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now let's take a look at the power bank right here. So you can see in the front slide right here, this is basically what it looks like. They tell you guys the maximum watts on here is 20 watts, and this is basically the wireless charging option. So you just want to put your phone on here to do wireless charging. If you guys take a look right here, they basically have two outputs for you guys to use. So one of them is USB and the other one is USB-C. And I believe both of these definitely give you guys the fastest charging options, such as quick charging and power delivery option right here, which are definitely really awesome if you guys want to fast charge your device. But you guys can also use it to charge regular devices as well, which is pretty cool. When we take a look at the side right here, there is a button. So once you guys press the button, it actually shows up the display screen right here. So there's a little sticker option right here. So let me actually remove that first. Alright, so you can see that once we removed it, this is basically what it looks like. So it shows you guys the percentage level on there. So right now it's at 77%. And if we look at the back side, this is basically what it looks like. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's test out the wireless charging option and also the plug outlets as well to see when it actually works. So the first thing I'm probably going to test is to charge my power bank to see whether or not that actually works. So I'm going to use the cable that they provide for us right here. Alright, so we have it plugged in. Let's plug it in right here. Alright, so you can see on the device right there, it shows a little charging icon right there. So that is how you guys know when it's charging. Now let me actually plug in the other outlet to test those out as well. So the first one I'm plugged in is a USB outlet right here. Alright, so we have it plugged in. I'm going to plug the other end onto my mouse that we have right here. Alright, so once you plug it in, you can see that it is charging our device. The actual power bank stops charging, so you cannot charge the power bank while charging your device. You can either do one or the other. We can definitely use this USB-C option to charge the device if you guys want to as well. So let's actually test that out first. Alright, so I'll plug it into my device that we have right here. Alright, so you see that that is working as well. So you can definitely use both outlets at the same time to charge outputs, but you cannot use input and output at the same time. So for the last and final test, we're going to do the wireless charging to see whether or not that actually works. Alright, so you can definitely see the actual process of it does work to do wireless charging and the two outputs at the same time, which is definitely super awesome. So supposedly on one full charge, it can give you guys a little bit over 2 full charge on your iPhone 12 devices, which is definitely a lot of power on here. And if you guys really think about it, that is around 10,000 milliamp. And then for this product, they also have all the protection that you probably want, such as overcharge protection, over voltage protection, and the list goes on. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this portable power bank, I definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially because of everything that's on here, such as the fact how you can do wireless charging, or you can plug in the cable as well. You have the USB-C option, you guys have the USB option. Only thing that you guys don't have is the micro USB option. So that is something to kind of consider as well. So if you guys don't mind the fact of how it doesn't have the micro USB option, then this product is super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.